Hi again, it's Dr. Laura Jaggett, and this Mominar is about food. You may be asking, what more is there to know about food other than you eat it and it's fun? Well, have you ever gone into your fridge to grab something only to discover that it's gone bad? Or have you ever purchased something at the market only to get home to discover that it's moldy or sour or spoiled? In case you didn't know it, there is a way to determine how long food products will last before they turn on you. Packaged food has what's called an expiration date on it. It will be a stamped date on the package somewhere that lets you know how long the company guarantees the freshness of that product. You will look on the container for a stamp that says sell by or some other instruction and a calendar date listed by month, day, and year. This means that food has optimal quality and flavor prior to this date. It doesn't mean that it's unsafe to eat after this date. You still can, probably up to a week or so. Here are some common foods that can easily go bad if you're not paying attention. Packaged or processed foods with a short shelf life are fresh or organic in nature: milk, eggs, cheese, and fresh meat. Then there are the non-perishable items. They also perish eventually, but they last a lot longer, and you usually keep these in your cupboard. If it says sell by, that tells the store how long they can offer the product for sale. The words used by means that's the last date that product has peak quality. I recommend you check your refrigerator once a month to see what's still good and what needs to be thrown away. All right, let's see what we need to throw out in my fridge. October 2021, still good. November 1st, 2021, we're still good. Fresh cilantro, this has been in here a while. There are a few pieces that are brown. It smells a little weird. It's gone. Here's some salsa, August 31st, 2021. That's coming up in a few days. It still smells good. We're keeping it. Eggs, sell by September 16th, 2021. Best by May 15th, 2022. They last a while. Milk, September 9th. That's how long it should last. Sometimes that doesn't happen, so you always want to smell it if you haven't used it in a while. And this is perfectly fine. We're good. October 2nd, 2021. So this is vacuum packaged. It's going to last quite a bit longer, but you always want to smell it. Make sure it doesn't have a slimy film on it or is brown or discolored. Best if used by June 2nd, 2024. That's if you haven't opened it, but this has already been opened. There's usually like a little button here. Once you open the lid, you can push this in and out. When it hasn't been opened, it'll just be flat and you can't move it. So because this has cheddar in it and cream and it's been opened, not sure about this, and I'm probably never going to use it again, so out it goes. Here's something I haven't used in a long time. I think I bought it for a recipe once. Sell by July 31st, 2020. Oh my gosh, that's embarrassing. Even packaged and dry goods have expiration dates on them. Here are things that are in the cupboard. Things like crackers, April 5th, 2022. These need to be refrigerated after opening, but until you open them, you have until October 21st, 2023. May 18th, 2024. Here's something totally random, vanilla extract, Best by July 25th, 2022. Everything has an expiration date on it. Just look for it before you buy it. And if you're past that date, toss it out. One more thing, what do you do about food that you cook and store in your fridge as leftovers? I wouldn't leave it longer than 5 days, but if it shows these signs, then toss it out. There's a slimy film on it, or it just has a weird glossy sheen, or if it smells bad, or has mold, or has changed color, don't eat that. So the next time you're at the store, before you buy anything, especially refrigerated items, check the expiration date. If it is the day of or it's near the expiration date, then pick another one that is a little bit further out in the future. Pro tip, items that are at the back of the shelf will be a bit fresher and will last longer before they expire. I hope you learned something new. You can help others by liking this video, sharing it, and subscribing to this channel. If you'd like me to make a Mominar about something that you want to know, send me an email to drlj@howtolife.com. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you in the next Mominar.